What's the group? Sorry.
What is it?
What is it?
It's really complicated. We have to like look at this image on Google Earth and then draw like a bunch of stuff on it. Yeah.
We have to
Says
draw.
You have to draw.
Yeah, it says using the line tool, draw one transects from eastern west or something like that, and another one from north south. Then we have to send him that screen capture of it, and then answer like 3 other questions.
I don't even think I have.
Like I don't want to do this.
I mean, I already
took.
It's like I don't want to. Okay, so we have to look at this thing on Google Earth. Oh, you Mountain Rainier. Okay.
I have the assignment folder.
Oh my gosh, you need Chrome to see this crap.
I want to know what Myra's only echoing.
My what?
You're the only
You're
one.
the only one.
Not sorry, I couldn't hear you.
You're the only one not echoing.
Oh, the one not echoing?
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone else.
everyone else. I know
when I talk
too.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I'm so confused.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I pulled it out of something. I don't know what it was. Shoot. Oh, that sucks. Okay. Well. I guess.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I can hear.
Let's see.
All the echoing stopped.
I don't know how to use the line tool on here.
I can't even figure out what we're supposed to be doing for this week. Oh my gosh, I'm on the wrong week. No wonder. I'm like, I'm not seeing what you guys are saying. Oh my gosh.
Would it be acceptable to just take a screenshot of Mount Rainier and then draw on it?
I'm going to get to that screen. I don't know. I don't even know what's happening. Okay.
Are we just going to add on to our last Google Doc?
Yeah, we should do that.
I fixed it. Sorry, I couldn't hear you guys.
Do we just want to use the Google Doc from last week and add on to it for this?
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, I think we could just add on. I bet it would be fine.
Okay. What? Oh, I'm on my psych class. Hold on. I need to be on geology. Or geography, or whatever one.
Where did that go?
And then, oh goodness.
So I'm downloading Google Earth.
So there's like a few mountains, like the same one. It's in like two different states. Do we know which one he wants?
Yeah, it's Mount Rainier in Washington.
Pierce County.
I think so.
Oh, you have to download it? Oh, wow.
Well, you need Chrome, and it's gonna like load. Oh, what the crap! That thing's just white.
If you zoom in on it, you can see like the crater of it.
That's crazy.
And like the little bit of yellow.
Oh wow! Like you don't even need to travel anywhere.
Okay.
What if you have Chrome? Like, does it just open up in Chrome or?
So just go to Google Earth, Google Earth.com or something like that. I don't know what it was.
Okay, so we're supposed to draw one transects from east to west, another from north to south.
How do you work this thing?
I've never drawn anything in Google Earth.
Okay, so
Can you even draw on this thing?
yeah, you have to
Oh,
go.
it won't even let me do this. It's saying that unfortunately your computer does not support WebGL.
Oh jeez.
Okay, hold on. I am going
That's
to
not gonna be good for me.
figure this out.
This is where I wish I had like 5 screens in front of me, so I don't have to like keep opening like. Oh, it's not. It's so crazy. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm working through this.
I can't even download it. So if you
Well,
guys
by
tell
working
me-
through it, I mean I'm making my husband help.
it says like my computer doesn't even support it. Like I don't even know. But wait, does anybody else have a Mac?
I have a Mac.
I'm going like this.
That's what I thought. How did you get it to work?
Do you have Chrome?
Yeah.
Okay, did you just I just went to Google Earth.
Uh-huh.
Because it's so different in the web browser than it is like the Google Earth thing.
Yeah, I have like the downloaded one. It's like
Yeah.
my desktop.
I should send you the link. Maybe it'll work.
Oh my gosh, this is like
Click on the link and see if it takes you.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let me just do that instead from Google Earth.
so it says we're supposed to look at the elevation profile.
Yeah, it's not even trying to let me use it.
Oh jeez.
It's just saying no.
Washington.
Which I don't get. How?
Washington.
How Chrome?
Does anyone have Google Earth up?
I do.
Okay. My husband does too on his computer.
So to create a path, that's what we're supposed to do, right? Make a path.
Yeah. So you should be able to draw lines. There's let's see if what's it called?
Because once you draw the path, then it'll show the elevation.
This one right here.
Oh, is it the dots?
Yeah, at the very top, like kind of towards the left a little bit, there will be little dots and it says add path. And you can like click on it and then drag and then like click another spot and it'll make a path between the 2 points.
Okay. So we
How do you
And it says you're supposed to do it from the lowest elevation.
Oh, okay. So like the very, very base of it, I guess.
Yeah. And you draw a line from east to west and then another one from north to south.
Okay.
I'm gonna try and open it on my phone.
I hate Google Earth more than anything else ever.
Me too, a little bit, because
It makes me feel like
you
an
can do the
idiot.
same thing with Google Maps. All you have to do is press preview.
Ah.
No, it says no. Everything is just no for me.
just stop trying? Give up. It's fine.
Yeah, they're like, don't even try.
Here, let me see.
Okay. Oh, show L. Okay. Oh, wow. That's really cool.
Is this? No, it's not. Okay. So where's the bottom? Like, is that too big?
Mine looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Are you on your phone?
Oh yeah, sorry.
How did you do that?
Oh, I thought you were talking to me. I was like, yeah, sorry.
No, that's my desktop.
Oh, okay. I don't know. What have you done here? What do you mean you haven't done anything?
So
What's this stuff over here?
I just went from like the very edge of it. I guess where it goes green. Like where the white ends on each side.
Yeah. That's basically what I did too. I don't understand what you did.
Do we want to use this? We want to use my screen capture for this, or?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah, because none of the rest of us are accomplishing anything.
I just like recently learned how to do a
I've
screenshot
never
on this
felt
thing.
like such a failure.
Like your whole Google Earth is messed up. I'm just exiting now. Okay, but Sierra, you have it, so we can just go off of your Google Earth.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay, good. 'Cause
I'll paste it on the dock right now.
none of the rest of us are having luck.
It's just
I don't care. You can't do that.
being a little bit slow. Okay, there we go. All right, so I'll paste it on the Google Doc right now.
It's like. Mhm.
Okay, and then do we need a north to south screenshot as well?
I guess so. Because it's here, I'll read you what it says. So it says using the tool, draw one. So you also have to look at the elevation profile. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah, that's what's on the like bar there. Do you guys see the picture on Google Doc? Is that showing?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think like the shape
yep.
of the elevation file. So I'll do.
Yeah, so it says to do east to west and north to south.
Okay. So there's east to west.
Oh, that's so confusing.
Okay, and then it was like based on that. What kind of volcano is it?
Yeah. So then
I think the book said what kind it is.
What?
I think the textbook said it was a composite volcano.
Okay. My husband says it is.
Okay, we got approval.
Yes, if two people think, then that's fine.
Composite volcano it has like alternating layers of explosively erupted cinders and ash interbedded with lava flows. That makes sense.
Yeah.
I just got that right out of the textbook.
Yep, it is a composite.
Okay.
It's a composite. Oh,
People told me. I don't know that I was supposed to do that, but I was just verifying that you were correct.
Okay. Oh, and I don't even know.
Oh, and then I'm sorry, I'm so yawning.
This is question 2, right?
No.
Is it still one?
Wait, this is a test?
So there's 1, and then there's A, B, C, D. So B says do a screen capture of the elevation profile and use it to create an illustration that resembles the kind of architecture you would expect for this kind of volcano. Be sure to annotate/label your illustration. What does that mean?
Who knew? He had to be an artist for geology.
Picture.
How are you? Picture.
Okay, I don't.
Can we draw on Google Docs?
I don't think so. Maybe like lines, maybe?
I don't exactly.
Yeah. Wait, if you click insert, it says drawing.
Huh? What are we supposed to? I don't even know what we're supposed to draw. See.
So we have to illustrate it. What exactly are we supposed to illustrate? Just the volcano itself?
It says that resembles the kind of architecture you would expect for this kind of volcano. So, like, I guess, like, what you thought the volcano would look like?
Yeah, I don't know. But I guess I'll
And
open.
then just annotate it? I don't know.
Does it mean like drawing like the layers so within the volcano and everything? I don't know.
Maybe.
I think I'm just going to look at a picture of that kind of. It's called the EW transect. Is that what the thing is called?
It's east to west.
Oh, the mountain right here.
Maybe we could just skip this one and come back to the drawing.
Wait, so we're supposed to create an illustration, like we need to draw it, like instead of a screenshot?
Yeah, he just wants you to draw what kind of volcano you would expect it to be. I think I'm just gonna view it in Google Maps because Google or whatever Earth is not working.
Okay. So while you're looking at that, C says compare the elevation profiles for both transects created above. Which side of the mountain has the lowest elevation?
Oh, okay.
So I can't tell from the picture what it says the elevation is.
Okay, so
It looks like the left side. Well, I guess it depends where you are.
so north to south.
Because if you're on the other side, then it would be the right side. I don't know.
Okay. Which side has the lowest? Okay, so north to south, it goes as low as. 5,368 feet.
How do you look at that? I feel like my Google Earth sucks. Like, I think that it sucks for like math books because
So much easier when you have like the the downloaded like app for your computer because then you can actually do stuff. I couldn't do like anything through Chrome.
Okay, so the north to south transect has the lower elevation.
Okay.
And the lower elevation level is 5,368 feet.
What the?
I hope this was right.
5,000 what?
368 feet.
Okay. Then B says, what consequence could possibly result on the side with the lowest elevation as a result of that topography? Take into consideration what type of volcano this is and what potential hazards exist.
So it says that this type of volcano can like explode, but it can also, I think, flow out, and that's what gives it the different layers within the volcano. I don't know exactly how the elevation affects that though.
I wonder if it explodes out where the lower elevation is.
That could be. Yeah, I don't know.
I put that for now. I don't know if it's right. I should ask my sister-in-law. She goes and hikes this mountain like, I don't know, once a week.
Wow.
That's cool.
Okay, well, there's chapter 5.7 that says volcanic hazards.
The question is,
This says that pyroclastic flows are propelled by the force of gravity and tend to move as gas, similar to snow avalanches.
I was just about to say that. I was literally just looking online. I was like, it could have avalanche. You also have one of those things. What is it called? Like, it's like when, like, you know, on mountains sometimes, how, not mountains, but like hills, when like land just like slides off. Oh, landslide.
Landslide?
Yeah. A landslide. Oh, this was not my day today. A landslide could happen as a result, especially since it's a volcano. It could blow through the lower half, which would suck for everybody on that side of the island or wherever it is. So.
Island?
Now with the lower...
I'm here now. I've been like trying to figure out what the heck is going on for like a good 15 minutes, but now I'm here. I got it.
With the lower elevation, like, be dangerous because it's more even with the land and like where people live, or I don't know. That'd be my best guess.
Right. Is this on a Google Doc? Is this supposed to be on a Google Doc?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm writing stuff. You guys can change it.
I'm working on an illustration of the volcano. I don't know if this is what he wants, but this is what he's gonna get. It is so pretty too.
Did you guys know it's like one of the most dangerous volcanoes?
Mount Rainier, or
Mm-hmm.
I didn't.
It says that it's hard for them to figure out or like warn people because the volcano is quiet and doesn't really provide warning signs of typical like landslides and things like that.
Oh.
That's scary. So you can't even warn the population. What's a lahar? Lahar?
A what?
Lahars?
I don't know.
I'll tell you. It's a type of flow or debris.
Okay, up to speed.
It's composed of a slurry of pyroclastic material, rocky debris, and water. The material flows down from the volcano, typically along a river valley.
Is that what a lahar is, or however you say that?
Yep. You're saying it right.
Okay, yeah, because it says the Mount Rainier generates two types of those things.
So, question number 2 is what types of rocks are found in composite volcanoes?
That's question 2?
Yeah.
Oh. I bet you could probably find a lot of igneous rocks just because it's by a volcano.
Yeah. I think.
But you could also find a lot of sedimentary as well.
I think it'll be oh no.
I don't know. I know like igneous rocks are formed by volcanoes, but the way that this picture looks, it looks like there's probably a lot of sedimentary rocks there too.
I think it is sedimentary.
Okay.
There's basalt, magna. No, wait, hold on. It says in the description, sometimes with the lava flows of composite volcanoes, it has silica-rich magma or andestic with an andestic composition. So I just Googled it. I don't know if that's allowed, but it said andesite magma.
Andesite? Oh.
Yeah.
I learned this. Andesite is like a type of granite.
So
Okay.
andesite.
Sorry. Okay. There are 2 definite forms of rock at Mount Rainier: igneous and sedimentary.
Oh, both. There we go.
The most common form of rock is igneous because Mount Rainier is a dormant volcano. Sedimentary rock is from landslides on the sides of Mount Rainier. Some of the types of rocks are sandstone, andesite, siltstones, basalt, dacite, rhyolite, rhyodacite, etc.
I'll let you type those because I don't know how to spell any of them.
I don't even know
We
how
could
to.
just do igneous and sedimentary. Those are the 2 large groups.
So I will. Okay, I will add.
Did you say Rhyolitic?
I don't know.
Rhyolite.
I got it. I can, let's see. What else?
Okay.
Just a second.
Yeah, okay, rhyolite, andesite. There's an igneous rock classification picture in the textbook.
Basalt. Here, let me just...
So those are all anphinitic type rocks.
These are the ones, sorry, I just copied and pasted what it said. So
these are all fine-grained.
here we have this one. Okay, and then sedimentary ones are siltstone and sandstone. Did I already have that? Oh, no. Okay. Okay. Number 3 says, take a look at the mountain and its surroundings. What other geologic features do you notice in this area?
It's quite green. Like, it's really green.
Yeah.
Is that weird? Like, despite the fact that there's all this snow at the top?
Part of me wonders if it's like water from the snow going and like, you know,
And runoff.
feeding all these plants, yeah. Or if it's just they get a lot of rainfall.
Yeah. I think it's some of both.
Probably, yeah.
Let me see if I can Google it. What are you eating?
That's what my friends ask me all the time.
She keeps, oh my gosh, she's like eating everything.
That's me.
She pulls stuff out of her mouth. Little butthead. I don't even know where she got that.
There's lakes.
Oh, it's in Seattle. It's in Washington. Okay, there's a lot of rain over there. That's why. That's why. They get a lot of rain.
There's lakes. There's a glacier park.
Oh, that's why. It has a couple of oh, this will get us extra points. It has a couple of what are those things called? I wrote them down. Hold on. I'm taking another geography class. 1 second. Let me go get it. So, it has a couple of, I want to say they're called runs or something. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It has some canes. Oh, there's a thing called canes. It's like these little hills that form around near like where glaciers pass by and things like that. It has a couple of those in there.
What's it called?
Cane? A cane, yeah. Kame.
Oh.
It has, let me see. Not really near kettle. I think it's called a kettle. This is one. There's a drum one.
It's a part of the Cascade Range.
Sorry, the way you read that was so funny.
Holy jeez, she's losing it.
That was so funny, like the way she read that.
I don't know if any of what I'm saying is like applicable.
Oh my gosh. So funny.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, yeah. As far as I can see, they only have a couple of caves. They don't really have anything else. They don't have any espers or anything like that. Oh, it has a drumlin. But don't say that just in case, because I'm not quite sure. But it does have caves. There's caves around there.
Should we talk about the glaciers?
We totally could talk about the glaciers.
Yeah.
Okay, he's blowing up my phone. What the heck?
So
Hold on one second. I'm on to something. Mount Rainier.
okay. Geological or glacial features and glacial processes. Geological features and processes of Mount Rainier.
Would that make the magma cool off really quickly? If lava came out?
I don't know. Let me see if I can find
I'm sure we'll do that thing where it's like.
What?
You know, like when cold things like touch hot things. You know,
Oh, the noise they make. Like what?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it would do that. What else is there?
Huh. The glaciers of Mount Rainier form the largest glacier system in the continuous. I've never heard that word in my life. United States. Okay, this is what it says. Over 1 cubic mile of snow and ice is estimated to perpetually cover Mount Rainier. Only a relatively thin veil separates this ice from the mountain of fire. If this ice were to melt during an eruption, huge floods and mud flows would easily reach the densely populated areas of the Puget lowland.
Oh. So no, it wouldn't freeze it.
Oh, it would just melt.
Dang, it would melt?
Yep.
No, it's nothing? It would just melt. That sucks. All that hard work that the snow went through.
Yep.
Let me see. Oh, I found out what plates it's on. Oh, but that's the next question. Never mind.
That's okay.
I'm in the middle of the ocean. Okay.
So there's this part that says the eruption of Mount Rainier also left some distinctive volcanic features. Summit features, rock walls, and satellite volcanoes rim the mountain.
Oh, dang.
There's 27 major glaciers on it.
Wow.
That's insane.
And they're important because they're indicators of climatic change and essential sources of water.
Is there anything else we want to add to that? To number 3?
You can put that the glaciers are important indicators of climatic change and essential sources of water, and they support 6 major river systems. Or I can write that since I'm already.
Because the glaciers are retreating, so they're likely at fastest rate ever seen to retreat, melting 6 times faster. Hold on.
How come I can't type on this? Like, what's going on?
Does that mean it's gonna like erupt soon because it's getting hotter on the inside?
I wonder if it's because of like global warming and all that. It says like, yeah, it's melting really rapidly. Dang, I didn't realize that. Well, I didn't know what this was before we looked at it. So.
Well, Washington better stay woke. So
yeah, you're right.
Get extra points for using that term in this video.
Style points. It retreats a meter every 10 days since 2003.
Wow.
A meter?
Mm-hmm.
That's insane.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
I think for number 4, are we ready to go on to 4? Do you think that's enough?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what I just said here.
So for number 4A, I think
it's the Juan de Fuca one.
Yeah.
It's I was like, there.
It's a convergent boundary with the Cascades volcano, and the subduction zone forms between the Juan de Fuca plate
and the North Plate. It says it's a divergent boundary on what is this?
So
I don't know, it just says Google Sites. I don't know.
Oh. This says it's convergent. Well, whatever we want to put there. It is. I don't want it in centimeters. Gee whiz. Let's measure it in centimeters, guys. It's 46 miles about. I think. I don't know if I'm measuring that right.
Just get out your ruler.
It's 6 inches away. No. It has the convergent boundary pinpoint at like Mount St. Helens. So I don't know if that's right or not.
So, did you figure out how to measure it?
Yeah, well, measuring to where Mount St. Helens is, it says it's 45 miles
Away from the plate boundary.
Yeah.
Okay. Which plate boundary was it?
It's so it's the Cascade subduction zone that forms between. You want me to just copy it and put it in there?
Yeah.
I'll just do that.
Sorry guys, I'm just like so tired.
Me too. I've been up since 4.
I'm having a hard time thinking tonight.
Hey, so is it convergent or divergent? Do we?
Gabby, didn't you say you found out what kind of shit is she in there?
What?
Did you say that you found out what kind of plate boundary that was?
Yes. It says divergent.
Oh, Google's totally contradicting stuff. Yeah, let's just do divergent.
That sounds right.
What direction do you think it is moving relative to North America?
North. Wait, which way? Which plate though? The North American plate or the Undifuka plate?
Or that one, the second thing you said.
The one.
Yes.
I don't like that word.
Why not?
It sounds weird.
You're right. I have no idea if it even has a meaning or who named it that. It's like the people who named the hurricanes. Like, who named Irma?
So,
I know.
They switch off. So the hurricanes throughout the year, like the very first hurricane of 2017 would have had a name starting with an A, and they switch off whether it's boy or girl name.
Gender equality.
Oh.
That's why there was Harvey, and then Irma, and then I think there was Jose, and then so it like just switches off. I don't know who, but they already like have the names picked before hurricanes even hit.
That's crazy.
I learned that in my geology class forever ago. Or geography. Oh my gosh. I can't even remember what I was trying to look up just now.
One day. This picture says It's going east.
Okay, I'm trying to look at all these plates, and that plate doesn't even exist on here.
Yeah, is that
The full one?
It must be so small that. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me try and find this.
Can you guys see that?
Northeast. Yeah, I see northeast as well.
Okay, guys. Juan de Fuca was a man.
With an
He was an
unfortunate-
explorer.
Was he rude?
Was he rude? I don't know.
He sounds rude.
They would put that in there.
Real.
Rude.
With a name like that, dang, he had to be rude. And you're like, a plate is named after you? Like, that's crazy. It says northeast. So I guess east is, you're right.
East.
Northeast, yeah. That's what this specific site says. I'm not going to give out its name.
It is one of the smallest plates.
It's tiny, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's teeny tiny. I just ate Cheetos and my phone won't recognize my thumbprint.
Cheeto fingers.
Yes, I'm gonna get rid of
You
that.
prefer Cheeto fingers or Oreo tea?
Oreo tea?
Yeah, what do you prefer? If you were to have something for the rest of your life, Cheeto fingers or Oreo tea?
Oh my gosh, Cheeto fingers are so annoying though. But I'd hate to smile and for people to be like, "Ooh, girl, I'd have Cheetos."
I think I'd have to do the Cheeto fingers. Because
Yeah,
you can hide those a lot easier than you can hide your teeth.
that's true.
You can stick them in your pocket or put gloves on.
Gloves every day, that's fine.
But you can't talk without showing your teeth unless you want to look crazy.
Okay. So do you think there's any relationship between the tectonic setting and the occurrence of Mount Rainier? If you do, explain that relationship.
We should just put no so we don't have to explain it.
No. False.
Negative.
Well, if it moves, then, it's going to erupt. So it just needs to not move.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna cause earthquakes and upset the volcano.
Earthquakes, volcanoes.
Look, we're sitting here solving all of these, like, volcano, mountain, boundary problems, but I can't even solve, like, my dating problems. Like, what is going on?
At least you have dating problems.
I don't know. That's the problem. I don't date.
Well, have you tried Google? Because that's what's solving all our problems.
If I tried Google, I'm pretty sure I'd find some interesting guys that probably don't want to, yeah, no, they're not gonna like
I
that.
love Google.
Yeah, Google probably sketch.
It's like
Why
Craigslist.
does somebody like
Find
me?
them on Craigslist. No, it's like cuddling season. I definitely need to find somebody.
Boyfriend winter. That's what I call it.
I need one of those like boyfriend pillows.
I know, right? Man, I need to buy one of those forever alone.
For real.
I have,
Undateable.
I have a giant stuffed giraffe for
Really?
when my mom's gone.
I went to Disneyland not too long ago and I bought a Stitch and that's my cuddling buddy, so that's fine. I just think Stitch. Yeah, it's great. I mean, it's perfect. Like, he's a boy.
I love Stitch.
thing. He's so cute.
And not even joking, I've been here for a year. Actually, you know what? We can do this on another meeting because this is being recorded. We can have like another meeting, guys. Sometime in
You can give us marriage advice.
yes.
Well, I met my husband in the MTC, so maybe you just need to go on a mission.
Well, then I definitely missed that chance.
No, I did something wrong then.
Maybe I should serve a second mission.
Right.
I don't know. Are there any single guys from your district in the MTC?
Not that I know of, and if they are, they're definitely not the ones that I want.
Right? I was like, I
Many
was
of them
not.
were cute. I thought my teachers were cute, but not the guys in my district.
Right.
I did too.
Like, come on, like, I don't know.
I way had a crush on my teacher. Wasn't even thinking about the little missionaries I was serving with.
Oh my gosh.
When did you guys
Myra. What happened?
did you guys go to your mission
What
reunion?
happened?
Our place got flooded.
It was so funny. Not funny, but
Wait, were you asking something, Sierra?
Oh, I was just, you guys, like, our mission reunions were, like, over general conference. You guys didn't snatch up all the single elders.
I didn't have one this.
What? You
Yeah.
guys don't have one?
no, they're waiting till our mission president comes back, which is like in a year and a half.
Oh, no.
That's so dumb.
I know. I'm like, why would we wait? He's gonna be there forever. And when he gets back, he's not gonna want to see us. Like, you know?
You guys should just do it on your own.
They're so funny. My mission people are funny. They only send like crazy people to Taiwan.
Where did you? Taiwan?
Yeah. I don't know.
That's pretty intense.
It was very intense. I got there and I was like, wait, you guys made a mistake because I was supposed to go Spanish speaking. That's what I wrote. I wrote ever. I was like, I know I need to go Spanish speaking. You know, my family is from the Dominican Republic and I'm the only one who doesn't speak Spanish. I know it's in my blood. I need to do it. And they sent me to Taiwan and I was like, okay, that's not Spanish speaking at all.
That is way off.
And it was funny because my state president's like, at least it's an island. And I was like, yeah, at least.
Like, that's crazy.
I know. I was like, if there's a hurricane, if there's anything that happens, like, I'm gone. Like, that's it. The island is so tiny. Like, you can hardly see it on a map.
Yeah, Kanye West.
Literally. It's crazy. This area was in the...
Do you know how to make Dominican food? Because I'm like obsessed with it.
I only know how to make plantanos. That's it.
You know morir soñando, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm so obsessed. I tried it for the first time in my mission and it was heaven. I'm like so obsessed with it.
Miss it. I miss it so much. But my favorite thing ever, you know panalote?
Mm-hmm.
That's my favorite thing ever. But no one knows how to make it.
Yeah, it's so hard. I mean, I feel like all the Dominican food is really good. It's just hard to find it.
That's true. That's true.
There's a good restaurant in Provo that I go to.
Oh yeah? We'll have to go. Why don't we hang out?
We should go. I take the front runner there. It's like really close to the temple.
Yeah, no, we should go. And then we can go to the temple. We'll make a date. It'll be a date.
Yes, it'll be a date. Since guys don't take us out.
Seriously, we have to take ourselves out. Oh, that'd be so fun. Okay, question D is really easy because he says, what similarities or differences do you notice about them? So obviously there's volcanoes next to it.
Sierra's already got that covered.
Oh, you guys do?
I don't know
She is-
if like any of this is good.
No, it is awesome. You are rock star.
Oh, it's literally just now loading. Wow. Sierra, you should be a geologist.
Of course.
Me? Why?
Look how good at this you are. It's like you were born with rocks or something. Like, you're so good.
Me?
With
Sierra's
colors.
learning all the stuff.
Ah,
I just know how to use Google.
You can be a quartz queen.
You could be like geology partners.
Yeah. What are your guys' majors?
I'm switching to communications.
oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
With
The
video
BC
production.
doesn't have really like majors. It has like programs, I guess. I don't know. I'm in the paralegal studies one, but I'm gonna do psychology.
Oh, cool.
Are you going to go to BYUI? You should come with me.
That's where you're going?
Yeah. In
Oh,
Idaho.
wow.
Oh, in Idaho, duh. I mean, in December.
Oh, dang.
That's right.
I'm gonna stay here. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I'll definitely stay here. I'm just a city girl, and I can't do Idaho.
Rexburg is basically a city. You have a restaurant, you have a grocery store.
Yeah, a restaurant, a grocery store, and it's probably a dollar store. Let's be real.
Brolum's is literally everything. If you have a Brolum's, that's all you need.
I've been there. My friends go to BYU Idaho, and I was like, "This is nothing. Like you guys are
It's
just
wonderful. It's just grass and stuff. I love it.
It's too cold.
oh, it
You
is
take-
too cool."
It is cold. Yeah, that's true, actually. I will say that. It's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. There's frost on my window this morning.
Ugh. Oh, thank
Yeah, ugh.
My friends from England came to visit, and they got here, and it was like 60 degrees here, which isn't that cold, you know? And they're like wearing their coats and their gloves. And I was like, this is cold. Like, you're done. You're done with winter.
Oh, did we answer? We didn't answer C.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what to say.
I think that's the last one, isn't it?
Wasn't it B?
Yeah. Let's see. Do you
Aw.
think there's any relationship between the tectonic setting and the occurrence of Mount Rainier?
Wait, which one is 1B? Is that the? Is that the?
Oh.
Let's do a screen capture. So it's the pictures
Oh, okay.
she put on there.
Up above.
No, I was like, that was confusing.
Okay.
Oh, that looks like a mountain.
I think that you did so good on that picture.
I
Yeah,
don't,
you did.
Literally. It looks beautiful. Like, I almost thought it was a real volcano.
I'm an artist.
Feel the heat.
Okay, so wait, Sierra, we need to talk about psychology.
Oh gosh.
That class, literally, I'm pretty sure, like, I have an F right now.
I don't even know. Are you in that same class? Are you in that
Yeah,
class?
Armstrong, yeah.
Yeah, I don't.
That class is probably the bane of my existence. Like, I'm pretty sure that's the challenge I'm supposed to go through in life.
Just don't.
Why didn't you take it at the BC?
It's open note, and I still get C's on the test. How is that even possible?
When you're
Literally right
failing at life.
I just
The worst part is, like, I don't even know when any of the tests are due. So the day that I go to take it, it's already complete, and it's an F.
Oh no!
So I don't. And then the field report, I don't get anything. She even emailed me and she said, "What's going on?" And I literally emailed her back. I don't know. You tell me. I have no idea.
Sassy.
I have no idea what is wrong with that class. Every time I go to turn stuff in, it's already done.
Have you been watching the class meetings?
Yeah.
You should just ask her questions on there.
But like I can't go to them, so I watch them afterwards. But I'm planning to go or not go, but like get on it the next time so I can be like, listen here, Sister Armstrong. We have to talk.
My popcorn ready.
Yes, no, get it ready. Get it ready. I'm literally, she's never going to be able to go over the things she wants to go over because I'm going to be like, nope, we have to address this.
Okay, I put in nonsense for C. I said the movement of the plate boundary caused Mount Rainier to form.
Is that true?
I have no
Well,
idea.
if it's divergent, then it's pushing. Technically, you're right because it's pushing it up, right? Isn't that what a divergent? What's
Convergent? Because convergent comes together, divergent would pull it away. So maybe we're wrong about what the boundary is.
We're so good at this.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
I drew a volcano.
Oh my gosh, you're totally right. Wait, but it is what causes it, because then it causes the magma to come out and stuff. Yes.
Well, because if one plate's moving away from another, then it's gotta like run into another plate, right? I don't know.
Well, it like gives it an opening, so the magma like is like, "Oh, I'm coming out," and then it just comes out. That's what this picture looks like.
It announces itself.
Oh my gosh.
That's what it looks like here. The magma just like, because magma circulates like this. It does like this. And so when there's an opening, it comes out and it shoots up. That's what it's saying on Google. I don't know if it's right, but Google usually doesn't lead me astray.
Google's pretty accurate, right?
Yeah. Ooh, I just got the chills.
It's like cold. I feel like our rooms are so cold because of that freaking glass window.
I know. No, it totally is. It's super cold. It's freezing
Like I
here.
sleep right next to it and I always wake up freezing at night.
Or like if the window's open, not like slide open, but like the blinds are open and it's a hot day, like, you wake up sweating.
Yeah. Do you have a roommate?
Mm-mm. Do you have one?
No.
Oh, we got lucky.
I know. I was like, I don't want one.
I know. I prayed so hard. I was like, Lord, if you don't give me a roommate, I will get straight A's this semester. And he already knew I was joking.
Were you roommates with Messina?
Yeah, I was. I was before her first semester. Our first semester. Yeah, our first semester, and then she moved into another room.
No.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoy what I'm about to put in this document.
I enjoy everything you're putting.
Okay, guys, listen to this. So divergent boundaries are when two plates are moving away from each other and new crust is forming from the magma that rises to the Earth's surface between the two plates.
Yep, there we go. That sounds exactly like your words.
Right? Now, the movement of the plate boundaries. I'll fix this now that I...
That sounds like something I would say in like common conversation.
How did you guys do on the geology exam?
What exam?
42?
The geology exam, it's due tonight at 11.
What? Where?
It was from last week. Exam number 1.
Huh?
If
Okay,
you
that
go to-
is not showing up on my thing.
If you go to content for week 3, it should be there, I think.
Oh, is that the one that was on week 3?
Yeah, and
Oh, okay, yeah, I did that. I was like, which one?
quizzes.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know.
Open it again? I don't understand. I thought it was due already.
Week 3?
Apparently,
Yeah,
it's
all the way at the bottom it says exam number 1. It started September 25th and ends tonight at 11.
Oh, apparently I did it.
Did you submit it?
Oh, it says I got a C.
I did too, but it's only partial. It didn't like read it right.
Yeah, he said something, right? He said that they didn't give partial credit.
Yeah.
Have you looked at your grade since then? Because my grade changed.
Oh, really?
Oh, let me see.
Oh, so did mine.
Oh my gosh, mine did too, but it's not a C anymore.
Is it a D? No, I'm just kidding.
Yep.
Like, just kidding. That would be my luck. I'm like,
So he didn't say credit was due, he took credit away.
I'm gonna be back. He's gonna be like, just kidding, you got an F. And I'm gonna be like, what?
How did you
That's
take it? Yeah.
No,
I have no idea. Now I have to go look at it.
no, I don't. I'm just kidding.
That's so rude. Why would he do that to me?
He really took credit away from you?
That's what it looks like, because I had a C before.
What do you have now?
It's a D.
No! Wait.
Where do you go to see, like,
Person,
I can't.
Sarah jinxed it.
No.
that's so rude.
Oh, my grades. Is that where we're
At least leave it a C. Like, don't be like, oh, you know what? Actually, I'm going to take this away. Like, that's rude.
Oh,
All right, now I know for next time. I'm going to put it in the discussions.
I got mine. Oh, the church is true, guys. Oh, yes.
The church is true.
Oh, man. I told you. It's like, kill it.
The church is true. That's something I do know. At least that won't take a grade away from me.
No.
Heavenly Father's not going to give me celestial points and be like, oh, you know what? There was that one time that you hit your little sister. I'm going to take this away. Like, I don't know about that.
Okay, is that everything? Do we have?
I think so. I just fixed C.
Okay, let me delete that picture at the bottom because I was just kidding about that, and I don't.
Hey, can you keep it, please? I think we'll get style points.
Just keep it.
Okay, this could be on the back of Quartz I Love Geology t-shirt that we have.
Oh, yes.
Oh my. Okay. It is obviously late to function. Alright.
Oh, after this, I think I'm going to go. We have a vending machine in our building. I think I'm going to go get a snack because that was just such a great group activity. I wish we could all go out to eat, but some of us are far away.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Oh, that's true. Everything is close except for like Denny's.
I know. I did that once. I walked there. It was bad. Like, never again.
Was it worth it though? Did it taste good?
It was worth it because it was. I closed at City Creek, and I think it was during the holidays where we closed at like 10:30, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna kill myself. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
He woke up.
Oh my gosh.
He's so cute.
Wait, how old are you? I thought you were 19.
No. I'm 23. I just turned 23. That was really hard to think about.
That's crazy. All this time I thought you were like 19.
No, I just look like I'm like 12. I just got my braces off too. Just imagine me with braces. So I looked 12, and now I look so. A little bit.
Aww.
So.
Look how
Finn, he's
cute.
old.
What's his name?
Finn.
Ethan.
Oh,
Finn,
Ethan.
like F-N-N.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, Finn. Oh, okay. Hi, Finn. You came to join our group? You can get a geology t-shirt too.
Oh.
Cute.
You gonna smile? No, okay.
He has like the squishiest little cheeks ever. Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
god, I feel like such a failure now because I'm like,
Me too. I need a child.
I'm not married. I'm not even dating anybody, and I'm nowhere near getting married or having a kid.
Girl, me either. Every time I try and start something with someone, they always get scared. That never works for me.
My mission president said that Elder Nelson's wife didn't marry him until she was like 60 years old. So
Oh, please no.
No.
Yeah, his current.
no, and she married an apostle, guys. Like that's kind of
Still, I cannot wait that long. Like 60, too bad for me. Like I cannot. I'm not pretty anymore. I've probably gained weight by then. Like that's not. I've already gained weight and I'm only 21. Like I really cannot do 60. I won't even be able to have kids. That's the end for me. That's the end.
No.
okay. Well, I'm my husband in high school, so you know.
Oh.
That's
High
cute.
school sweetheart.
I thought he was super obnoxious, actually.
That's like so cute. Like that's what they write books about.
I love it. He is so cute.
You're so cute.
You're supposed to be asleep.
You have a good mom. She's sitting here doing geology with us. She's so nice.
Yes, geology. You're gonna be a geologist, huh, Finn?
Be like,
Textbooks, and he gets mad at me. I don't think he likes any of the classes I'm taking.
Oh, he's so cute. How old is he, you said?
Just a little over a year.
Oh my gosh.
that's so
That is so cute. One of these days, I'll have a little mini child.
If it makes you feel better, I'm 28 and I don't have a kid.
But you're married.
And I'm at BYU, Idaho, surrounded by 19-year-olds who do have kids.
You're one step ahead of me and Myra.
If I'm not married by 25, there's something wrong with me.
Same.
Like,
That's exactly what I said. And I was married by 25.
I had a mission. My trainer, she's 25 or 26, and she's not married.
wow.
Oh man.
And she's like the coolest person I know. So
She's waiting for her apostle.
Yeah, same here. My husband's gonna be the president.
I know if I'm not married by 30, then I'll save myself for a stripling warrior. That's fine. Oh.
Okay, so did it work last time for me to just post the video link at the bottom of the Google Doc?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was perfect.
This
Okay.
is probably a really long video that he's just gonna watch and be like, "What the heck?"
Why is she complaining about being single? Then
He
there's
gave us
Gabby.
that last time though.
Don't watch the last
Gabby.
minutes. Just type that in.
She put that the last 10 minutes. Don't watch it because we're complaining about boys and points taken away.
He's gonna be like, "Okay, we're done with this. We're done with these guys." He probably loves it.
He's probably gonna fail all of us because we're so sassy.
Hopefully not. Hopefully not.
He's gonna bring your grade down to an F, Gabby.
I hope not. Oh my gosh, that's not fair.
Yeah, how do
Hey,
you
at least he
points
gave me
taken
a
away?
grade. That must mean he acknowledges me in class now. At least he gave up telling you you're not enrolled.
Oh my gosh, that was seriously the biggest. I can't even with that.
I think that was just BYU Idaho though. That's not him.
I was like, how am I not enrolled? I'm here. Like, I'm on the class roll. I was like, you can't separate me from my crew either.
T-shirt signs, okay?
The geology crew.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Did we finish everything? Did we agree?
We did it.
Woo!
I really hope
You know what? This is literally the highlight of my Thursdays. I love doing this.
Because you love geology?
No,
Or 'cause
No.
you just love
That's
us?
what it is.
I just like you guys.
you want to go?
Woo.
Go run around.
Ooh, okay.
Never mind.
Well,
Thank you for waking up even though you were sick.
yeah, no
Yeah.
problem.
Thank you.
That's dedication right there, I've got to say.
For real, I would have been like, all right, peace out, guys.
Yeah.
Well, after I thought about it for a minute, I was like, how are they going to record it? I was like, that would just be
You're absolutely right. I literally thought that when you wrote that, I was like, okay, well, none of us are going.
I would have cried.
Yeah, so after I thought about that, I was like, oh, I'll just wake up because that would just be a bigger pain for when you guys try to figure it out. So,
Yeah.
Okay.
anyway. All right, well,
Thank
See you next Thursday.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.